Hello friends, welcome to the channel Virtual Learners. Today we would discuss the important current affairs for the first week of May 2020. We know that a tragedy has happened in Andhra Pradesh due to the leakage of poisonous gas called styrene. What is styrene? It is an organic compound which is identified as neurotoxin. It is poisonous and inflammable gas. It is used for making items like insulation, fiberglass, fan blades, etc. It can cause numerous health hazards like respiratory problems, irritation in the eyes, irritation in the mucous membrane and gastrointestinal issues. So this is regarding styrene. In a recent ruling, Supreme Court held that cooperative banks established under a state or multi-state level society comes within the ambit of SARFAESI Act 2002. What is SARFAESI Act 2002? The full form is Securitization and Reconstruction of Financial Assets and Enforcement of Security Interest Act 2002. It allows banks and other financial organizations to recover bad loans effectively. This is by auctioning of properties when borrowers fail to repay their loans. That is, you can auction the properties of the borrower if they fail to repay the loan. So, Act provides for establishment of asset reconstruction companies also. Now, what is asset reconstruction company? These are companies or financial institutions that can buy bad loans from banks. Basically, banks sell their bad loans to these asset reconstruction companies to clear off their NPAs on mutually agreed prices. So that is the role of asset reconstruction companies that is provided in SARFAESI Act 2002. So how it is effective? It is effective only against secured loans, loans that has a property or security attached with it. Then only bank can auction off these properties to clear off their NPAs. So that is all about SARFAESI Act 2002. We have heard about the recent crisis of Punjab and Maharashtra Cooperative Bank. So that is exposing the vulnerability of these financial institutions, and thus it is required to have a better control on these cooperative banks. Next is Operation SAMUDRA SETHU. This is launched by Indian Navy. This is a mission to bring back Indian citizens from different countries who are trapped in different countries because of the existing COVID-19 situations. INS Jalashwa is set to commence its operation to evacuate people from Maldives. So this is about Operation SAMUDRA SETHU. This is launched by Indian Navy. It is to bring back Indian citizens who are trapped abroad. Next is Arktika-M. It is a satellite to be launched by Russia. It is basically for monitoring of Arctic climate and gathering of data regarding the polar climatic conditions and the climate change. Now let's move on to UV blaster. What is UV blaster? It is an ultraviolet disinfection tower. It is used for rapid and chemical free disinfection of high infection prone areas. For example, it can be used for disinfection of malls, metros, hotels, etc. It is developed by DRDO. Now let's move on to BHARATHMARKET. This is launched by or will be launched by Confederation of All India Traders, CAIT. It is an e-commerce marketplace for all retail traders. It will have collaboration with the technology companies. So BHARATHMARKET is an e-commerce platform bringing together the technology as well as retail traders in it. Now let's move on to DARBAR move. What is DARBAR move? It is a practice of shifting capitals between Srinagar and Jammu in Jammu Kashmir. Srinagar is the summer capital and Jammu is the capital in winter. So this is happening because of the extreme climatic condition. So that is all about DARBAR move. It is practice of shifting capitals between Srinagar and Jammu in Jammu Kashmir. What is eCovSense? It is a biosensor developed by National Institute of Animal Biotechnology. It can detect coronavirus in saliva samples and it is very fast. It gives results within 10 seconds. Next is COVID-TOE. What is COVID-TOE? It is a kind of rash developed in COVID-19 patients. It is said that approximately 90% of patients are affected with this COVID-TOE. It is called pseudo-chilblains or chilblain lesions. These are swelling on toes and fingers when exposed to cold. So it is called pseudo-chilblains. Now let's move on to coronavirus copy machine. What is exactly coronavirus copy machine? The virus, the COVID virus, which replicates itself when it affects the human body, has an enzyme to do that. So the enzyme which helps in replication of COVID-19 virus to make its copies in human body is called copy machine. So the enzyme is called copy machine. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel Virtual Learners.